You can look at seasonings and spices like in our pork and ginger balls or even in our fried rice balls. They're loaded with ground pork, but they get their kick from an Asian flavor profile, including a good spritz of lime. And when you're using fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro, sage, and thyme, even basil and green onions, they all work great. The sky is the limit here. Use what you have, use what you love, but just try to avoid, if you can, dried herbs. In this case, in the case of ground meats and faster cooking times, those dried herbs just don't have enough time to rehydrate and become tender in the meat that you're serving them in. Now, if you're wondering, okay, where do I get a recipe or how do I know how much to put in? Well, we've got you covered here at Now That's a Mouthful. Our show notes for this episode, which is on our blogcast page, has all the links to the recipes that I'm talking about and all the information I'm giving you. You can even go to our website, nowthat'samouthful.com, and find more on our recipes page.